What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The topic of today's video is your fourth stimulus check update. Today is April 20th. We have many articles, a lot to discuss, a lot to go over and summarize in today's video. Starting with the very first article, NASDAQ, the official NASDAQ, very reputable, very trusted source. Stimulus check update, a fourth stimulus check. Is it possible? Let's separate the fact from the fiction. There's been a lot of, rumors and BS news, just fake information going around online. And I want to separate. I want to actually bring you a credible source. NASDAQ, 100% legitimate. I want to just tell you, this is real, this is not real, this is where we stay. That's the very first article. That brings to our second article, Fox Business. How many of you were aware that stimulus check payments to Americans are actually helping to stimulate China's economy? Fox Business Network host lays out on high consumer spending in U.S. boosting Beijing's economy. Basically, to quickly summarize this article before we go any further, America is using their stimulus check money to purchase goods from China. Instead of made in the USA, they're buying made in China. And this actually just helping China's economy and helping their overall, ecosystem. And this is bad because if you don't know, China is not our friend. China is our enemy. China is a communist country. Not only that, but China is also attacking our ally in Taiwan. Many people don't know, they're not aware, but Taiwan is actually our ally, and China is right now trying to expand its, communist empire, trying to take over, more land, very similar to, Nazi Germany in World War II. And Taiwan is developing a new fighter jet to defend itself because China has went on the record many times, numerous times, saying it wants to, expand its territory, take over new land, specifically Taiwan, which could possibly, trigger World War III. This is not BS. This is not fake news, because China right now, as of literally this moment, is acting very similar to Nazi Germany in World War II. To quickly summarize, China is basically trying to expand both east and west. They're trying to use, air, as in fighter jets, and not only that, but also ships on water. And they're trying to just take over more land. They're trying to expand communism, but also right now, the Olympic Games, almost 20 years exactly to the day, is supposed to be happening in China, just like, it was happening in Germany during World War II. And finally, as we see right here, CNN, very reputable, very legit, the U.S. is sanctioning Chinese officials over alleged abuse of the Uyghurs. If you didn't know, right now, 100% legit, China, a communist country, is basically copying World War II Germany, Nazi Germany. Not only are they actually imprisoning people in concentration camps and mass systematic murder of anyone that's not Chinese or doesn't support communism, actually murdering the elderly and the children. There's many articles that are coming out that China is committing systematic genocide and murders of anybody that's not Chinese or does not support communism. The first thing I want to do is show you each and every single article, quickly before we go more in detail, before, we actually learn more about them, before I summarize them. Not only that, I want to show you my sources so they're credible, it's legit. Name me another YouTuber that shows you 100% their news source and the articles they're looking at right on your screen. Many other YouTubers just tell you a lie, look at the camera. I show you guys, look, CNN, very reputable. Then we have Forbes, very legit. Then also we have Fox Business. You got to keep it diversified. You got to have CNN and Fox Business. You can't just listen to one source of news. You can't be biased and only listen to one source of news. You have to know both sides of the story, guys, because I'm not a Democrat nor a Republican. Then we have right here, NASDAQ, very official, stimulus check update. But real quick, before we go any further in these articles, before we dive deeper, before we summarize these articles, I want to take 2 seconds out this video to let you know every single day I post daily videos, minimum 1 video, if not 2 videos every single day. And in every single video, I give away free Amazon gift cards. So far, I've given away over $23,500 all out my own pocket. If you want to enter the free Amazon gift card giveaway, all you have to do for free is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment the word America or just the US flag emoji. But let's pick a winner from the last video right now. 352 comments. You guys are absolutely nuts. Let's pick a winner live. Anna Rivera, congratulations, you are today's video. Congratulations. Please email me, Anna, averagetuber@yahoo.com. One word, no space, no caps, averagetuber@yahoo.com. Congratulations, Anna. Again, if you want a chance to win, all you have to do to enter the free Amazon gift card giveaway, which I do every single day in every video, is just hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment the word America or the United States flag emoji. Now let's get back in the articles. Let's quickly summarize. Basically, as we see here, right now it's looking very optimistic. It's looking very possible. I would even say even more possible that it might actually happen, because as right here, the Motley Fool and NASDAQ have basically went on the record and saying it is very possible that the United States will actually pass additional stimulus check money. Not only that, it might be potentially, allegedly, 2 stimulus check packages. But right now, it's looking like illegal immigrants, guys, people that don't even have their papers, that don't even have socials, will actually be receiving the stimulus check, when us, United States citizens who pay taxes, will not be receiving it, allegedly. If anything changes, I will keep you guys updated. And then we have the second article right here, Fox Business. Stimulus check money are actually being used to fund China's, communist economy because people are using their stimulus check to buy goods that are made in China. Whatever happened to made in the USA? I'm sick and tired of all these communist countries actually committing genocide, war crimes, systematic genocide of anyone who's not Chinese or doesn't support communism. Think about it, guys. If they actually come over here, if we were to go over there, you, me, all of us, all the United States Americans would be put in these concentration camps. Our families would be murdered. This is absolutely wrong. Whatever happened to made in the USA? Whatever happened, in our United States citizens being patriotic? Whatever happened to us loving where we come from, the United States? I truly love the USA with every single fiber in my being. I love this country. I'm so grateful to be here, guys. I'm so grateful to be a citizen. Let's go more in this article right here. Basically, China's GDP went up by 18% in 3 months in Q1. This is huge. And exports, them selling to the United States of America, is rising 38% in the last 3 months. Those exports to the US, it's a new record. One more time, exports to the US, it's an all-time new high record. Meanwhile, the US exports are actually going down to China. China is actually selling to us way more than we're actually, selling to them. Made in America is actually going away. It's going down. This is absolutely unacceptable. I personally hate this fact. I hate that we actually rely on other countries' goods and services being made there, because what happens when it is World War III? What happens if we actually do go to war with China and World War III does occur? We have to be able to actually just, make everything in the USA. We have to be self-sufficient. We cannot rely on other communist countries, guys. Communism has been our enemy since the very beginning, guys, since World War I, since World War II, since the Vietnam War, since the Cold War. We cannot allow to support communism countries, because just like this, our ally, United States ally, Taiwan, who's been nothing but good to us, is actually being attacked by China. China wants to conquer both to the east and to the west. Their goal is to put everyone that's not Chinese or doesn't support communism in concentration camps and murder us. Mass systematic genocide of anybody that's not like them. That would include you and I, guys, yourself and myself. Please hit that like button. Please share this on social media. Let your voices be heard. Let's stop this, because right now in China, innocent men, women, children, guys, think about families. They're being murdered. They're being systematically killed, put in concentration camps. CNN, very reputable. The United States and its allies are stepping up pressure on China in a unified show of force against Beijing, China, because it's actually killing many, many people. We must get the word out there. We must stop, because right now it doesn't matter because it doesn't affect you. But what happens if they invade the USA and they put, your family or myself in concentration camps? Or if you have, family, cousins, sons, grandsons, what happens if they get sent to China because of World War III? And then they're actually sent to China, they get captured and put in a prisoner of war concentration camp, and then you never see them again, guys. This is 100% evil and wrong. All this evil stuff, all this communist BS, it must be stopped. We can no longer, choose to do nothing. Choosing to do nothing is just as bad. Us choosing to do nothing is equally as bad, because we're allowing this to go on further. It doesn't matter your religion, doesn't matter where you're from, it doesn't matter what your belief in, it doesn't even matter what you look like. You could be purple, you could be 10 foot tall, you could be 1 foot tall, you can believe in God or you cannot believe in God. Whatever you choose to do, I don't care. I'm not going to attack you. I'm not going to murder you or your family or children or your parents, guys. This is absolutely sick. Comment below if you agree. And like I said, that's pretty much it. Daily videos, daily giveaways. Hit that like, be subscribed, comment the word America or the United States flag, guys, the flag emoji. That's pretty much it. If you do want to support me, please hit this join button. It only costs 99 cents. Not only does every single penny to actually go to charity and someone else in need, but as a member, you get a diamond next to your name. You get members only exclusive emojis. You get members only exclusive community tab, exclusive content, pictures, live streams, giveaway. Every single month, I pick one member. I give them a free Amazon gift card giveaway. Like you see right here, exclusive pictures, videos, live streams. And every single video, you can see people talking in the live chat. That's a member, right? If you hit join for only 99 cents, not only does all the money go to charity, but every single day you can interact with me live in these videos. You can ask me questions live in every single video in the live chat, guys. Not only that, but also you can send me an email, answer all your questions. Literally, it's the best community on YouTube. Only 99 cents. Some people prefer Patreon, so I made a Patreon. If you do want to join, go on Patreon, hit that $1. Finally, last but not least, I do have a clothing line brand. If you do want to support me, all the money I make on my YouTube channel I give away, over $23,500 all out my own pocket. Every single shirt is 100% cotton, very, very good quality. Not only that, all the money does go to help someone else in need. Very good design quality. If you can't afford it, it's 100% all right. But if you happen to have another 99 cents, or if you do want to support me and buy a shirt, all your money will go to help someone else in need. Please hit that like, please hit that subscribe, please comment. I literally want to do giveaways. I want to help as many people as possible. Please share this on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. That's it for today, guys. Peace.